Starting this round with Samar Province. Designer, Jane Lazabas. Sa Nakikihagang Festival of Calbayog City is one of the highlighted festival of Samar. In many cultures, roosters are often offered to gods and deities due to their symbolic significance. This golden rooster designed by Jane Lazabas highlights the importance of this animal in badang or offerings. In Hadang Festival, roosters are offered because they symbolize vigilance. Roosters are known for crowing at dawn, signaling the start of a new day, and this act symbolizes vigilance and dispelling of darkness or evil, making the rooster a potent symbol for protection. Samar Province. Samar Province. Candidate number 17. Filipino Community of United Kingdom. Designer, Festivali of Tacloban City. This costume is a striking representation of Filipino heritage, symbolizing the bravery and resilience of indigenous warriors, particularly from the Visayan region, which includes Samar and Leyte. The ornate armor is crafted with intricate patterns and beads and decorations, reflecting the skill and creativity of Filipino artisans. The headdress is bold with spikes and gems that represent strength and valor of ancestors who fought against colonizers, like the warriors who famously resisted Magellan. Filipino Community, United Kingdom. Community of United Kingdom. Candidate number 18, Kapas Tarlac. Designer, Simeon Cayetano. This striking costume celebrates the importance of the Carabao in farming culture, blending traditional and contemporary elements. The bold black and gold color scheme enhances the regal and powerful appearance with intricate beadwork and detailed embellishments throughout, representing prosperity and strength. The headpiece, crafted from rattan and crowned with a miniature kubo-kubo or traditional Filipino hut, symbolizes the essence of rural life and the deep connection to the land. The gold accents throughout the costume reflect the golden harvest in rice farming in Kapas Tarlac, symbolizing abundance and success. The fur cape adds a dramatic and luxurious touch, complementing the powerful stance of the wearer and embodying the resilience of farmers. Kapas Tarlac. Tacloban City. Designer, Candy Segovia. The Sangyao Festival is a religious and social-cultural event in Tacloban City that indicates a parade of lights and street dances that celebrates the city's history, culture, and spirituality. The word Sangyao means to herald news in the Waray language. The main attraction is the devotion to the Santo Niño, patron of Tacloban City. The festival's core theme is the miraculous return of Señor Santo Niño El Capitan to the city, Tacloban City. Tacloban City. Candidate number 20, Negros Occidental. Designer, Rexter Maurice Nagy. Honoring the love and valor of Lawakan, the strongest warrior of Taluco, and Princess Katsinay. This costume tells a timeless story of unbreakable bonds. The sword represents courage, while the armor signifies their unmatched strength. Crafted from authentic Mangyan-inspired fabrics with an expensive touch. Each detail, from the shimmering Swarovski crystal to the bold black feathers, embodies the resilience and bravery of Lawakan, a true Filipino spirit brought to life, embodying the spirit of resilience and bravery. Negros Occidental. Negros Occidental.
Nakalive ako.
Once again, our fourth batch of candidates.
Magaan-gaan na nga ito.
Samar Province.
7200.
Philcom United Kingdom. Kapas Tarlac. Tacloban City.